Hello friends, welcome to Chiranjit tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to rotate objects around a circle. It's a magic trick, so I hope you will like it. So let's start. So first I will take a circle. I press Alt Shift. Then I fill color will be none and stroke color. Make the stroke 0.5. Then I will take start tool. I will draw a star here. Then the outline color none and the fill color will red, and we'll take small circle in the bottom part of the star, little bit circle. This is the bottom part. You can see the smart guideline is on, so I can see this is the bottom part. Sorry, this is not bottom. You can see this is the bottom part, and make it center, and then select both objects, make group, then go effect, distort and transform. Go to transform. Here is scale 100%, 100%, move 0 0, and angle this time I am going to ignore and make a preview option on, and I am going to select this one bottom part and make 3 copies. So here is angle, we have to choose. Actually circle is 360, 360 slash I need 3 copies, divide 360 divided by 3. You can see that is automatically taken 120 degree, and press OK. And now I am going to rotate around this circle to these objects. So press Ctrl R and take the guideline, the center position of the circle. Then take the star and place it in the center of the circle. Then just double click on the star. This is isolation mode, and take it to the upper side, and you can see this is moving around the circle. Rotate around the circle, and click this and window appearance and click this transform, double click, and then I am going to 20 copies. Actually one is there, I need 19. So here you can see 360 divided by 20. Make the preview option. So you can see the magic here. That is rotate around the circle, and we can just place to the upper side. And I'm going to show you one more thing. You can add here multiple object. Just double click again on this and take a polygon tool. Just draw in the center position. In the center, so you can see here You can add here more multiple objects, and you can also take it to the inside. It's a very simple trick to rotate the object around the circle. So guys, thank you for watching the video.